Sheesh. U-Haul truck, shop. It only means one thing. Today we are moving stuff in. What happened? You broke your vlog camera?
That shit's gone.
Today is the day that we are moving into the shop. Finally, everything is pretty much done on the construction site end that they were trying to do before we move in. So now it's all up to us to make this thing SYCKWRAPS. We started moving things in already. We got TVs, we got desks. We bought everything, guys, like I said. So what's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. I hope you guys are excited for today because me and Manny are super excited. It's a very big day, like literally the biggest day of the year right now. Manny got this truck this morning. We bring everything from his house first. So this is everything he has at his house. He has all this wrap material, his big old toolbox, everything that's in his garage pretty much. Some shelves, lighting. And then we gotta go to my house because I have a shitload of stuff at my house. We have all the flooring and everything for the shop. It has like 22 boxes of flooring, 2 couches that come in 2 big old boxes. We're also gonna bring all my merch. So we have a lot of things. Hopefully it fits in here. I hope, I don't know if it is. But we have a lot of shit at my house. So after this, go to my house, get that stuff. And then we should be pretty much moved in. And then hopefully me and Manny, our goal today is to try to get the flooring laid today too. Try to get as much done as possible today. Damn. The thing that we're scared of is taking this one off. Manny said it weighs more than all of us.
So heavy.
That was sketchy. We almost dropped it. So tired. This is the second load. I didn't film it, but we went all over to my house. Got a bunch of boxes. We brought all the flooring. I think it's like 20 boxes of Swisstrax. And then right here, just a big old mess because we got to organize everything. And then we also got all my merch, dude. This is everything that we have in inventory. I'm glad I finally brought all of this stuff because you guys remember, this used to be in my garage. All right, guys, so here are the flooring that we went with. We went with Swisstrax. Oh, man, he's coming. All right, guys, so this is the flooring we went with. It's already dusty because I was stepping on it, but we went with the Swisstrax flooring. We'll cover up all this ugly freaking flooring that we have. Our first choice was to epoxy the flooring, like that white, bright, shiny flooring. The only problem is it's very expensive, and also you have to like really deep clean this before. So it's like a whole process. We would have to have someone come in, clean the hell out of this flooring, and then have someone come in and epoxy the floors after that. And then also, Manny said that epoxy flooring isn't the best for wrapping cars. Epoxy kind of collects a lot of dust, and you don't want dust on the back of a vinyl wrap. So Swisstrax kind of helps with that. The dust kind of just sips through. Once it's all laid, bro, it's gonna look insane. All right, guys, we're starting the flooring finally. Guys, look at this. We still have so much to do, but look, we already got the majority of the corners done. Guys, look how easy it is to pop these in. Oh shit, we need more green. Literally all just clip in like this. Simple as that. The board is sick.
Like the green stands out so much, dude.
And it matches, look. That's why we did green, guys. Woo! Look at this, bro. Done, bro. I mean, almost. We got like a little bit more to do, but we got all this done. We got to do like all these little ones that we have to cut. These little tiny ones, we have to cut them in half.
What do you think?
It looks so sick, bro. Bro, it looks so fucking sick in here. Looks like we're in a showroom, dude. Bro, there's actually so much room. Like, this is insane. That's with the GTR in there. We still could put probably like, what, 3 more cars if we really wanted to. Trying to get an idea of how many cars we could put in here. Or just see how it looks with cars inside. Look, there's room everywhere to wrap cars. Manny has plenty of room. We need like an electrician or somebody to help us hang these lights and wire the lights. Damn. We need someone to hang the lights that we got. We got these really sick lights that we're gonna hang up, but we need someone to help hang them, take these out, hang the new ones, and also wire everything up. So if anyone knows someone that can do these 2 things, DM me or contact me somehow, and let's do it. Watch out.
It's gonna fall.
There.
All right, guess how much this all gonna be? We're against 500 bucks right now. 524.
Are you guys interested in saving money by opening a credit card?
No.
No, 50 bucks?
I have too many
Oh,
credit
no,
cards.
actually-
Wait, we forgot the
I got
time.
it, I got it.
Oh.
Nick, mine is gonna decline, so you're gonna have to do it.
All right, guys, we've been just teleporting the vlog here and there. I'm trying to pick up the camera as much as I could while we're set up everything, but we just bought these shelves, but some shelves so we can organize all the merch. I think I'll put all the merch in this little corner over here, so it's all organized and clean and easy to ship out, because right now it's a pain in the butt taking out merch out of the boxes. So
2 hours later.
all right, guys, they're up. The storage little shelves are up. All right, guys, next thing up on the list is to paint these doors. If you guys remember, all the office doors were brown like this. They're all brown and it does not look nice. I'm gonna open this. What the? That shit looks blue, bro. Bro, this shit legit looks blue. If the doors come out blue, I'm gonna be so mad. Look, guys, we got all the merch up. All the merch is perfectly organized. Now it's easy for me to ship stuff out to you guys. We got like all the sizes in order. Smalls, medium, largest, small, medium, large. All the hoodies, all the t-shirts, accessories up there. So everything is organized. It's gonna make life way easier when I'm shipping stuff out. Perfect, bro. I'm so excited I did that. Bro, I swear it's blue. Man, he's gonna be pissed right now. All right, guys, so here's the current situation. All the doors are getting painted black right now. We're almost done. We got one side done. Now we gotta flip the doors to the other side. The floor is in, like you guys saw yesterday. All the merch, like I said, is all organized perfectly. Also got another shelf, which Manny's gonna use to help like store parts when we take car parts apart. We still gotta get all of the trim fixed. I think the homie Gustavo's gonna come try to help me with that. I didn't film it, but we got the TVs hung. Now we got the TV in here. This is just temporary because we wanted to see if it even works. Little couch. This definitely needs some decorations or something. Maybe some artwork. I don't know. Leave some comments down below. Should we put like some artwork, some murals, something on the wall? And then in here we got Manny editing his vlog. Tomorrow's vlog. Well, today's vlog, because this was going up. Look at me, guys.
Could be better.
We got a TV in here. We don't have Wi-Fi yet, but we have a TV in here, a couch in here, my desk, Manny's desk. This also needs some artwork or something because it looks way too plain in here. You guys enjoyed all the install, the flooring. Very hard to film, but I hope I caught enough footage for you guys. But yeah, I'm excited. The shop is looking sick already. It looks completely different than when you guys first saw it. You guys remember when that wasn't even a wall yet? Like there was no wall, there was no flooring, like all the walls were all painted ugly too, but it's finally coming along and I'm so freaking excited. It's not even close to being done yet. We still gotta hang all of our lighting up here and we got lighting for the walls too. So this is gonna be super bright and I cannot wait. Also, we got a bunch of merch here. So if you guys want any merch, it's shopfindingnick.com. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today is a different video than usual. It's different, Hugo. There's no cars in this vlog.
No cars in this vlog. You guys can see we're not
Today,
wearing our regular clothes.
I know, we're in freaking snow gear, but today we're going snowboarding. I thought I'd vlog it. Hugo's making me vlog it. He says that you guys might want to see it, so we're gonna vlog some snowboarding. I haven't been since like last year, so
I've never been in general, so
they both have never been, so it's gonna be their first time. So hopefully they can get it. I think they will, but it's super easy. Like I'm telling them, it's super easy. I'm gonna have to get the hang of it too because I haven't been in like a year. But you're not gonna break your leg. Hopefully, you could break your bones. I swear, but you're not going to. So yeah, we're gonna film some snowboarding and vlog it and see what you guys think. We also got a 360 camera right here that I'm gonna try to use, and hopefully it works. I heard it's like really sick footage with the 360, so we'll try that too. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, bro! Oh. He said he was gonna get it. Don't take off.
you almost took my neck out.
For real?
Hey, man, subscribe to his channel.
You for real? Yeah.
Hey, you found Nick.
No way, someone recognized me up here. Come on, Hugo. Let's go, come on, let's go now.
Where's that going?
This way, come on. No. No way, Hugo, come on. Bro, you're literally getting folded. This way. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Straighten it back out. We out here, guys. Bro, that's crazy. One of you guys recognized me up here. I don't know how. There's so many people here.
Got it.
You're drunk, huh? faded, dude. Look at the last. Was it fun? It's easy.
Down all the way.
Oh, she coming in hot. Look. All right, guys. I think it's 360. Yeah, bro, it's 360. I think. Guys, we're 360 right now. Look at this. I've never used the 360 camera, but I'm sure you guys can see us and the snow. Bro, it's gonna look sick when we're going down. Look, see me?
Bro, this is so fun. If you guys ever gone snowboarding, you guys need to go snowboarding.
It's fun, huh?
It's scary, but it's fun.
It's scary, bro, but it's fun.
I already broke my back like 3 times, I swear.
I hate this part, bro. Imagine my backpack gets stuck. Oh, bro, I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not.
I already know.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Easy.
All the way.
Easy. Woo! See? Let's go catch up. Come on. I'm gonna try to hit this ramp, guys. Wish me luck. Oh! I got scared. I got scared. Woo! Oh! Woo! Man, let's say
No way, that's just
it's fast, huh?
bro.
Look at this shit, BB. It's 360. They can see all of us. Look how fast this one goes, bro.
This one's moving. God, bro, this is scary.
Why are you
This is scary,
scared,
bro.
you
I don't like height.
Guys, look at the view.
Oh my God, they ate shit.
Let's go this way, guys. Come on.
Oh no!
No,
No way. No way.
I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee. No. Did you get hurt? Did you hurt yourself? Bad? You think he broke his hand?
Oh fuck!
I filmed it. Bro,
I just see you go like this.
BB hit it, bro.
No way. He's broken. He's not broken. He's broken. He's not broken. That's not your bone. It's swollen, bro.
He might have broke it, bro. You can't cut hair anymore. Bro, you think he broke something? If it's swollen already?
I don't think it's broken, bro. You know what I think he did? Se lo zafó, which means he popped it out and went back in. Yeah, that's what happened. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my God.
Bro, come on. We just gotta get down. You're drunk, dude.
Oh,
You hit it?
my.
Look at,
Bro.
come on, you go. You go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, you go, come on. Wanna hold it? Just try to do it in the snow when you fall.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Bro, my ass. Oh, that one hurt my ass, bro. Oh my God. No way. No way.
Bro, he got back up here.
No way. I'm done. Oh my God.
Oh, I think I can land that trick. Bro, you're lying. Bro, get up.
That's how steep it is, guys. You guys don't understand.
This shit is pretty steep. Perfect. Just go for it, go for it, go for it. Bro, no way. Oh, you go left, 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 left. All right, I think this might be the last run of the day. Hugo already tapped out. BB already tapped out. All the girls tapped out, except for Celeste. She's still riding. But yeah, it's the last run. I'm gonna try to go as fast as I could. Nope, not hitting the ramp. I'm too scared. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. Woo, shit. I did it. I'm trying to do a 360. Well, actually like a 180, 180, watch. I'm gonna do 180. 180. Oh! I did it. I did it. I hope the camera got it. Woo! That was so much fun. Oh.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights.